Ever wondered how to make money by promoting brands and advertisers? The answer is TapMob.io, a mobile app that connects creators with brands, providing a lucrative avenue to earn money. TapMob.io operates on a cost per action, or CPA, premise. This means that creators earn money when they successfully complete a specific action, such as signing up for a free trial or making a purchase. To start, creators simply create an account and await approval. Once approved, the world of offers await. Creators can browse through a variety of brands and advertisers looking to promote their products or services and choose the ones that resonate with them and their audience. When a user clicks on a creator's link and completes the offer, the creator earns a commission. But the benefits of TapMob.io don't stop there. This platform offers a comprehensive, interactive dashboard, allowing creators to track their earnings, stats, and performance in real time. And the best part? It's available on both iOS and Android devices. Now, you might be wondering, does this actually work? Well, listen to what these creators have to say about TapMob.io. John Smith, a user of TapMob.io, says, "This app is amazing. I've been able to make a lot of money by promoting offers. The dashboard is really helpful and I can see exactly how much I'm earning." Jane Doe shares her experience. "I love that TapMob.io makes it so easy to find and promote offers. The commissions are great and the support team is always helpful." And Susan Jones adds, "I've been using TapMob.io for a few months now and I've been really happy with it. It's a great way to make some extra money on the side." There you have it, a simple, effective way to earn money by promoting brands and advertisers. Whether you're a creator looking to monetize your content or someone looking for a side hustle, TapMob.io is a fantastic option. So why wait? Head over to TapMob.io, create an account, and start earning today. It's a decision you won't regret. Your journey towards financial freedom starts with a single tap. Tap into the world of TapMob.io.